As scientists too, we know that finding reagents is frustrating and time-consuming. You scour the literature for data to complete your experimental design, yet what you find is often incomplete or inaccurate. Research therefore takes longer than it should, and experiments can yield dead-end results. But it doesn't have to be this way anymore. Introducing BenchSci, the world's most advanced reagent selection technology. BenchSci uses AI trained to read and understand the world's published experimental evidence, as well as your organization's internal data to help you find the best reagents for your research and increase your experimental success. To develop BenchSci, we fed the world's history of biomedical experiments to a computer and trained it to understand experimental contexts like a PhD scientist. To help you plan your experiment, BenchSci's proprietary machine learning models read the scientific literature, analyze and contextualize the data from the text and images, then present you with results figure first, ranked objectively by usage, linked to the corresponding reagent from our database of tens of millions of products, all via an intuitive interface with optional integrations to make your workflow even smoother. Over 40,000 scientists trust BenchSci to help plan experiments.
BenchSci is an important tool that I recommend to fellow scientists that saves time and money due to their comprehensive, user-friendly platform.
The best way to get reagent information.
Start planning more successful experiments with BenchSci today.